Hello everyone, welcome back to some more World of Warships. We're going to be taking a look at what Wargaming did to my beloved cruisers in patch 0.5.3. Long story short, the two clips that you're about to see is me going in the Nuremberg and then in the Cleveland, which, by the way, butchers planes even better now. That is like the only positive thing I have to say. But oh my god, they nerfed cruisers hard. It's now even harder to compete with those goddamn battleships that can citadel pin you even when you're showing the smallest possible angle of your ship. They will just wreck you all day long. All because they've got the range and they just took that away from cruisers. So, I hope you'll enjoy these following clips, which is basically me ranting. Because I didn't really enjoy it, to be honest. There's a chance that I might stop playing after a while. Like, I've still got lovely destroyers to play, but cruisers are pretty much ruined for me, at least right now. They are a lot more frustrating to sail than they were before the patch hit. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the following clips. Well, if I knew I was gonna get this lineup, I would have taken out my bloody Cleveland instead. That has some actual AA guns at work. Oh my god, this is gonna be painful. Dear god, what am I supposed to do here? Nuremberg is shit in anti-aircraft. Well, this is gonna be painful. You know what? I'm not gonna go towards A. I'm gonna go towards B and C. Just to avoid the main force. Oh my god. Perform a valiant rearguard action. Fuck this, oh my god. It would have been a lot better if I had my extra, like, 2 kilometers range, but no. Wargaming took that out. Cruisers OP apparently. Well, I sailed my Cleveland earlier. It's a lot harder to sail the Cleveland now than it used to be back in the days. Jesus Christ. Anyway. Dear God. I can't get over the fact that it's double aircraft carriers. And mostly tier 8s as well. Like, I'm not even gonna try capture B because they'll just slaughter me if I get in there. Because this beautiful ship here has a metric buttload of armor. Up to like 50 millimeters. So you know it's good. Bloody hell. I haven't seen any enemies yet though. That is good, I suppose. Oh great, there come the aircraft. I've taken a look at manual designation, but I don't really feel like the manual AA gun designation skill is really worth its weight on the German cruisers. So I just decided to go for the fire starting one. Because that would actually help me with this mission. Of course, the 88s are 107s on this ship, barely have any range, whereas the Cleveland, combined with the advanced firing training skill, can get a range of up to 7.2 kilometers for those 100 mils, which actually makes them worth something. Instead of being practically, well, I wouldn't say useless, but at least they are on the Nuremberg. Or so it feels like. Oh my god, there we go. We're gonna get waves of planes overhead, aren't we? This is gonna be fun. I'm not even gonna get in range of any planes. Jesus. Well, we've got those fighters. One of them just went down, but not thanks to me apparently. Probably the Atlanta or something, I don't know. I'm gonna waste my defensive fire cooldown. Oh, probably should have launched a catapult fighter a bit earlier than I did. Here comes a rain of fire. There we go, come on, shoot at least one of them down. There we go, it took long enough. Oh, there we go, already a citadel, fucking brilliant. And now, of course, I barely have the range to do anything about it. Oh my god, nobody's here, we're just gonna get fucked. Can I at least get a couple fires started for my troubles? The answer, unsurprisingly, is probably going to be no. Oh, great, we set him on fire. Good, that's one of the 300. I'm a bit salty that they nerfed cruisers, but battleships are still RNG-like as hell. Like, they just made it harder this patch to play cruisers, in my opinion. At least play them well, aside from just getting butchered. Oh, yeah, sure, tunnel vision on me, or don't you, you dick? It's not like there's an Atlanta sailing near me that's broadside on or anything, no. That would be too easy, wouldn't it? Well, Nuremberg's AFK, because why the hell would you do anything in the game? Like, you're just queuing up for a battle, there's no need, there's no guest list to ever have to play or anything. Please stop tunnel visioning, will ya? Thankfully, Battleship RNG goes both ways. Oh, let's get some more fire started on this asshole. He needs to burn. He deserves it. Come on. And I could have put more shots in him, but no, Wargaming decided to nerf cruisers. There we go. He's still burning nicely, at least. I'll call that a saving grace or something. But yeah, not happy with the changes to cruisers this patch. Especially not with battleships still outranging everything and having the capacity to basically one-shot ships like the Nuremberg. The only reason I didn't get blown to bits there is because I was at long range. Can you imagine having like 14 kilometers range on your guns like the Cleveland has with only 50 millimeters of armor? Oh my god, that would be the end. That would render the Nuremberg even more unplayable. There we go, get some more fire started on that asshole. Clearly you haven't burned enough yet. Come on, the more the merrier. Dodge his return fire, thankfully. Right, what next? Oh great, of course the team isn't capturing the zones. That would be too much use. That would help us win the match. No. Why bother, right? God, I miss the range we had. That bastard is still tunnel visioning on me, despite clearly an Attigo sailing through. Oh my god. Quit riding me so hard, bro. Well, there's no battleships in range at the moment, so... Never gonna hit that Farragut, so not even gonna try. Maggie's now being fired up by those. Nuremberg's still AFK. Reporting his bots, there we go. No use alive to the team. Try and hit that Farragut at least. Oh, we got him. At least once. There we go, another hit. That should make him fear us. Now I've got a bloody Fuso tunnel visioning on me. God, get the hell out of here, you battleship bastards. Right, there's a Nuremberg over there. Probably put shots into him. Try and get the guns turned around as quickly as we can. Of course, they also nerfed that. Why leave something standing where you can just tear it all down, right? Shots in on that guy. Try and deter him from going to our carrier if possible. Fire from that asshole now. Of course, it Tirpitz as well. Wouldn't be fair if half their team wasn't firing at me. Go to hell. Of course, the Tirpitz has 20 kilometers range at least, because, you know, that's fair. Cruisers, no, they're overpowered. Sorry, I'm very salty, but it's kind of ruining the commentary, I know.
The enemy is about to win.
What a terrible bloody team. Just let him die. Let's go for that and Maggie some more. If we can catch up to him before the match ends. Probably not. So this team is not doing much useful. Dying in bunches. Going up 1v5. Genius, guys. That's gonna win you the war. That Amagi is thankfully done for. Get some more fires on that Fuso, please. Long game, I know you hate me, but can't hate me that much. Wait, never mind. Of course it can! Come on, Fuso, open up. There we go, got a fire started. Puts it out, but I don't care. I'm just gonna go. Pretty much doomed here anyway, so. Let's get the rear around. The more fires, the better. Oh, we might be able to put him below the waves. With a bit of luck. Those torpedoes did quite a number on him. And he's not going to be able to control the flooding either. Oh no, sure, I'm just facing directly at you pretty much. Why not get it? I swear to God, they fucked the game up. Unsurprisingly, shitty team results in a loss. God, that lineup was fucking terrible. Let's take a look at the Cleveland. Maybe that has some more luck or something, I don't know. And here we have a perfect illustration of the advanced firing training on a Cleveland. Look at that, 75 AA defense. This thing is a bloody monster now. It always was, but Jesus Christ. I guess that sort of makes up for the range nerf that it has gotten. Among the other nerfs that it's gotten over the time being. Look at that, 14.7 range. And we get detected at like 13.3. They really did a number on cruisers in this patch. I hate it. Thankfully, I'm also sailing a ton of destroyers now, and those are still fun to play at least. Cruisers? No man, they did a number on that. Of course, battleships still outrange everything to bloody hell. Like the Tirpitz in the other clip, 20km range. Try pitting that against the Cleveland, because the Cleveland will see Tirpitzes and other battleships that have 20km range, or what basically equates to it. Can you do anything about them? No, you can't. You can try dodging them, but even when you have your stern pointed at them, they can still citadel you, because battleships. Not a fan. Not a fan, wargaming. Anyway, enough complaining for now. Let's see if we can find a destroyer to chew up. Now, of course, Cleveland has been hit by reload nerf. We now need like 7 seconds to reload, and the turrets turn really slowly. We've been spotted by airplanes. Of course, we've got the Hear You in here. Not exactly sure what airplane, but you know, it would be silly to actually show us the planes that are spotting us. Battleship still got his ass parked. Like, why would you move? It's just that the game started. It's not like Wargaming's gonna fix that anytime soon. Great, we've got a Colorado complaining about what he's gonna come up against. We've got a Myoko, so we're gonna try and chew him up. Already detected, would love to know by what. It's not like the Myoko can see me. He can't. He shouldn't. There we go, get some good shots in on that Myoko there. Get a citadel. Oh, we've got fighters somewhere or something. Anyway, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Well, our buddy died, unfortunately. There's another Cleveland. Could use assistance, team. Reload HE. Oh god. A manual designation would probably be useful, but it's a little panicky right now. Hey, Jesus Christ, we are just chewing those planes up. That is the Cleveland now. Still solid in AA, if nothing else. We still came out ahead, I suppose, against that Myoko. Oh, and there's a Nagato as well. We could have reached him pre-nerf, but now we can't. We got hits on that enemy Cleveland. We set him on fire, which is good. Gonna need about 270 more of those. Being a little cautious here, we don't exactly have... Well, we've got some backup in front of them now, thankfully. Gone behind the island, so we can't see right now. Wow, this team is also crumbling. Everyone's just bloody falling apart today. Wow, we managed to snipe that plane all the way from here. I'm not exactly sure whether this is supposed to be like it, but I'm not complaining. There we go, managed to snipe that Cleveland before the torpedoes got him. Oh crap. There we go, just dissing that guy in chat, being a little baby.
Nice work.
Oh great. Our carrier's being attacked by the destroyer. Oh my god. Today is not the best day to be playing this game, I'll tell you that much. Jesus Christ, people are doing nothing. I'm so used to having range, but no, they took that away from us. God, that guy's annoying. Yeah, alright, enough of that guy's trap. I'm gonna disable messages. Love that they introduced that. That's like the only good change. Oh, there goes the carrier. Bloody fucking shit team. Oh, gotta be kidding me. Oh, the New York finally woke up. It's too late to do anything, but thanks for showing up, I guess. Jesus Christ. This is fucking awful. Laughably so. Jesus Christ. Well, at least those planes are doomed. Why am I even defending that guy? Probably because the kills are points for me. Aside from that, I don't really care about him. Cruel but honest truth, I'm sorry. Also because I like killing destroyers like that. Come on here, you. I've got some presents. You're not gonna like them, but I sure am. Oh my god. All the damage and just a desync or something, I'm not exactly sure. Designate planes while taking that Knefny under further fire. Set a Knefny on fire, that is fun. He's probably gonna burn to death now. Especially with that motivation. Come on, at least hit. There's an Omaha. That's bad. Come on, get the guns around. Let's not forget that the Omaha has torpedoes. He shouldn't be in range, though.
Direct front. Enemy destroyers.
Unless he was. Set him on fire again. Was the destroyer over there? And I'm aware of it. Crap.
The ship is on fire. Taking on water quickly.
He's done. But then again, so am I. What a fucking disaster, team. Jesus Christ, look at that. Fucking awful. Well, yeah, if you're looking to play on the day that this video goes live, don't fucking bother. People got their head smashed in or something, I don't know. This is just terrible. Look at this guy, he ran himself aground. Of course he did. It's almost sad to watch this. Almost. You know, today has been so terrible, I'm not even gonna try getting another match to record. I'm just gonna lie down on my bed and try not to cry when thinking about teams like this. Dear God. Combine this with the cruiser nerf. Wargaming, you've ruined my day. Thank you very much. Don't be surprised if this series decides to end soon. Oh my god, he just ran himself aground again! How thick do you need to be? Worst of all, this guy managed to get a kill as well. That means he must have done something right. Well, even a broken clock says to time correctly twice a day, I suppose. Thank you for ending it, finally. Look at those idiots! Anyway, let me know down below in the comments if you guys still enjoy World of Warships. Otherwise, I'm probably gonna stop making videos of it in a few weeks, I don't know. I've not been as excited to play it as I have been in the past. And this video is pretty much one of the reasons why. They nerfed cruisers, they made it... and idiots Just plain goddamn idiots like you just saw. That hurt my soul. Anyway, if you somehow liked the video, then please do leave a like down below. Leave a comment if you have anything to say. And until next time, watch out and try not to sail any cruisers. Have a good one, folks.